Ever wondered how AI can be a game changer in income generation? Well, today we delve into a fascinating exploration of artificial intelligence and its potential to bolster your earnings. We'll examine a real-life case study where AI was employed for a month with the goal of generating income. From the strategies used to the results garnered, we'll unpack it all. So, are you ready to navigate the intriguing intersection of AI and money-making? Stay on to discover the intriguing world of AI and money-making. Artificial intelligence, a term that sounds futuristic, but is it really? Let's demystify it. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software with the ability to analyze its environment, make decisions, and learn from those decisions. It's like teaching a machine to think and learn like a human, but with the capability to process and analyze data at a speed that's beyond human comprehension. AI is now everywhere. It's in the digital assistants that help you organize your day, the recommendation engines that suggest what movie to watch next, and even in the self-driving cars that are set to revolutionize our commute. But let's focus on the money-making aspect. AI has been a game changer in the financial sector. Take high-frequency trading, for example. Here, AI algorithms make rapid-fire decisions on buying and selling stocks based on market conditions, outperforming any human trader. Similarly, in the e-commerce space, AI-powered price optimization tools help businesses maximize their profits by determining the best price for their products based on demand, competition, and other factors. Moreover, AI has opened up new income streams for tech-savvy individuals. By creating and selling AI-powered software or offering AI-based consulting services, they're raking in significant profits. Now that you have an idea about AI and its potential, imagine using it to earn money. How can AI transform into your personal money-making machine? Let's delve into the numerous strategies and tools that artificial intelligence offers for income generation. Remember, these are not hypotheticals. They're practical, actionable methods that you can start implementing today. First off, let's talk about AI in the stock market. Trading bots, powered by artificial intelligence, are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in a split second. They can make swift, calculated decisions, buying or selling stocks based on market trends and data analysis. It's like having a Wall Street expert in your pocket, working tirelessly 24/7. But let's not limit ourselves to stock trading. AI also shines in the realm of online advertising. AI algorithms can analyze user behavior, preferences, and browsing patterns, allowing for highly targeted advertising. This means you can reach your potential customers more effectively and maximize your ad revenue. Now, let's shift our focus to the e-commerce industry. AI can revolutionize your online store by providing personalized shopping experiences for each customer. Through machine learning, your AI can recommend products based on a customer's previous purchases or browsing history, leading to increased sales. And it doesn't stop there. Artificial intelligence can also be used for content creation. From writing blog posts to composing music, AI can create diverse content that can be monetized in various ways. Lastly, ever heard of robo-advisors? They're AI-driven financial advisors that can manage and invest your money based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. These are just a few ways AI can boost your income. But remember, the use of AI doesn't guarantee success. It's a tool. And like any tool, its effectiveness largely depends on how you use it. So, educate yourself, experiment, and find the best way to integrate AI into your income strategy. These are just a few ways AI can boost your income. But what about real-life experience? A month of using AI for income generation sounds exciting, doesn't it? Well, let me tell you, it was an adventure filled with insights, challenges, and yes, some earnings too. So how did I start? I began with a simple yet powerful AI tool designed to automate trading in the cryptocurrency market. Now, the beauty of this tool is in its ability to analyze market trends and execute trades at lightning speed, something a human trader could never match. In the first week, the results were encouraging. The AI was making decisions based on data and analytics, devoid of any emotional bias, which often clouds human judgment. The income started to trickle in, and the possibilities seemed endless. But the journey wasn't all smooth sailing. In the second week, the market took an unexpected turn, and the AI tool, despite its sophistication, couldn't adapt quickly enough. The profits dipped, and the reality of the risks involved came crashing down. So, what did I do? I tweaked the tool settings, adjusted the risk parameters, and lo and behold, the AI bounced back, showing resilience and adaptability. By the end of the month, I had not only recovered my initial investment, but also made a decent profit. The challenges I faced were a stark reminder of the importance of understanding the tools we use. AI is powerful, but it's not infallible. It needs human intervention, guidance, and yes, a bit of patience too. But the most exciting part of this experiment wasn't the money I earned, but the learnings I gathered. I realized how AI can be leveraged to create diverse income streams, from trading and investing to content creation and marketing. A month filled with learning and earning, but what does this imply for the future? It suggests that AI, when used wisely, can indeed be a powerful tool for income generation. But always remember, with great power comes great responsibility. After a month of using AI, can we consider it a feasible income generator? The answer, as we've seen, isn't a simple yes or no. The effectiveness of AI as an income generator depends largely on how it's used. It has the potential to be incredibly powerful, offering opportunities from optimizing business operations to predicting market trends. However, like any tool, it's only as good as the strategy behind its use. This month has shown that using AI to generate income requires a blend of creativity, a solid understanding of the technology, and a willingness to adapt and learn. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a tool that can enhance and streamline efforts in a digital, data-driven world. So, is AI a feasible income generator? Absolutely, for those ready to invest time, effort, and a bit of ingenuity. AI, it seems, is not just future technology, but a potential ally in our income generation journey. What are your thoughts on using AI for income generation? It's an exciting new frontier, isn't it? We'd love to hear about your experiences, trials, triumphs, and even your doubts. If you've used AI to earn money, or if you're considering it, don't hesitate to share your story. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We're all learning together in this evolving world of technology. Looking forward to your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep exploring the power of AI.